Welcome to Alpha Macro Presents. Please like, share, subscribe and press bell icon for more notifications.
Hi, I'm Johnson from Alpha Macro Presents. In this video, we are going to learn how to hide entire worksheet in a workbook using a macro. For example, let's say we have a workbook with sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3 tabs. What I want is to hide these 3 tabs for better presentation in Excel. I tried to Google it out and found some instruction to hide the sheets. However, I wasn't able to hide entire sheets, so I further analyzed and found that it is impossible to hide all sheets in a workbook. It was a great thing for me to challenge Google, and I found a way to hide these 3 sheets with a simple code, and this is the result after running the code. And you can find the sheet name has been disappeared. So let us better understand with the code. This is the Excel template that I need to send to my customer. Here I want these 3 tabs to be hidden. Press Alt F11 and select Workbook. Select Before Save. Only one code is enough to hide the entire sheet. You may select from the list equals false. So this is active window dot display workbook tabs is equal to false. Crossing this window, and just we need to save this template, and we can see the sheets are hidden. If you want to bring back the sheet, just go back to the macro coding, and instead of false, write true and save this workbook. So you will get back the hidden sheets to this workbook. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe my channel, and all the best in your project and work.